Contact transfers sometimes fail, and many users find their contacts didn't move to a new Pixel. It's frustrating and can disrupt daily communication. In this video, I'll show you quick and effective fixes to get all your contacts back on your new Pixel. Let's begin. Part 1. Why can't the contacts be transferred to new Pixel? Contacts saved locally or SIM not Google. Google Sync off. Outdated software. Weak Wi-Fi. Skipped transfer setup. Wrong Google account. Incomplete backup. Hidden contacts. Sync or cache errors. Transfer tool issues. Part 2. Fix contacts didn't transfer to new Pixel with quick ways. Fix 1. Check if contacts are synced with your Google account. On your Pixel, go to Settings, Passwords, and Accounts, Google Account Sync, and ensure Contacts is on. Wait a few minutes to sync. Fix 2. Sync Google. Settings, Passwords, and Accounts, Google Account Sync 3. Menu Sync now. Check Contacts. Fix 3. Restore from Google. Go to contacts.google.com. Sign in. Then re-enable sync on Pixel. Fix 4. Import from SIM. Insert SIM, contacts fix, and manage import from SIM. Choose Google account. Wait. Fix 5. Check contact display settings. Open the Contacts app. Tap Menu Settings. Tap the Contacts to Display option. Make sure all contacts or your Google account is selected. Go back and check if the missing contacts now appear. Fix 6. Use the Transfer Data tool during setup. On your new Pixel, go to Settings, Google Setup and Restore. Tap Restore Contacts. Sign in with your Google account and select the backup from your old device. Wait for restoration to finish. Fix 7. Play Store Google Contacts Update, then restart. Fix 8. Settings, Apps, Contacts, Clear Cache or Data. Reopen Contacts. Fix 9. Android Switch. Scan Pixel QR. Grant permissions. Select Contacts. Tap Start. Keep phones unlocked. Part 3. Ultimate way to transfer contacts to new Pixel smoothly. If your contacts didn't transfer to your new Pixel phone, try using Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows Mac. This intelligent tool allows you to move data between Android, iPhone, and Pixel devices effortlessly. How-tos. Download and install the program, then open it, connect both Pixel phones, and enable USB debugging. If source and target are swapped, click Flip. Select the data to transfer and click Start Copy.